Serbia is a landlocked country in southeast Europe, located in the Central Balkans. It has a rich history, vibrant culture, and diverse landscapes, ranging from fertile plains in the north to mountainous regions in the south. Basic facts. Capital: Belgrade, one of the oldest and most vibrant cities in Europe. Population: about 6.6 million people. Language: Serbian, uses both Cyrillic and Latin alphabets. Currency: Serbian dinar, RSD. Government: Parliamentary Republic. Major religion: Serbian Orthodox Christianity. History: Serbia has a complex and fascinating history, dating back to ancient times. It was home to various civilizations, including the Romans and Byzantines. During the medieval period, Serbia was a powerful kingdom, particularly under the rule of Emperor Dusan, 14th century. Later, it was ruled by the Ottoman and Austro-Hungarian empires before gaining independence in the 19th century. In the 20th century, Serbia was a key part of Yugoslavia. And after the breakup of Yugoslavia in the 1990s, it became an independent country in 2006. Culture and traditions: Serbia has a deep-rooted cultural heritage, blending Slavic, Ottoman, and Central European influences. Some highlights include music and dance. Traditional folk music features unique rhythms and instruments like the gusle and accordion. Cuisine: hearty dishes like savapi, grilled minced meat, sarma, cabbage rolls, and kajmak, a creamy dairy product, are popular. Festivals: the Guka Trumpet Festival, a huge brass band festival, and Exit Festival, one of Europe's top music festivals, attract thousands of visitors. Tourist attractions: Belgrade, known for its nightlife, historic fortress, and lively cafes. Novi Sad, home to Petrovaradin Fortress and the Exit Festival. Niš, one of Europe's oldest cities, famous for its Roman history and the Skull Tower. Studenica and Zika monasteries, UNESCO-listed medieval Serbian Orthodox sites. Tara National Park, stunning natural beauty, home to the rare Serbian spruce tree. Modern Serbia: Serbia is not part of the European Union, though it is a candidate for membership. Its economy is growing, with industries like agriculture, and manufacturing playing key roles. The country is known for its sports culture, especially in tennis, Novak Djokovic, and basketball.